doing is trying to get to sleep. I can't fucking sleep over that shit. You have no idea how fucking loud you snore. Most of the reasons why I don't want to sleep over sometimes. But I have like 2 feet of room. Look at that. I don't know if I got a good... Because I can hardly fucking sleep. You keep me awake with that. You have like a whole extra foot. You're sleeping on top of me over here. All I want to do is sleep. But I can't. I swear you're being quiet right now. Usually your snoring is louder. In the morning when you get these, you better not wake me up because I will be sleeping and I'll be pissed if you wake me up because I'm already starting to get really annoyed. I can't fucking sleep. Yesterday it was your farting. Today it's your snoring. Now I just... You better not fucking wake me up in the morning. I swear to God. You always ask how loud you snore. You snore pretty fucking loud. You roll over. You're being quiet now. I'm gonna try. It's playing right now and you can probably hear your snoring over the YouTube video right now. They're not the smartest. They seal themselves in up. I mean, right now the YouTube's buffering because your internet sucks. But when it is playing, see? These videos won't be doing justice for how loud you actually snore. I swear I can hear your snoring over the YouTube. I'm literally debating on waking you up just so you can be quiet right now. Try and get some sleep before you start snoring again. I don't have a lot of time because I can hear you start to snore again. But thank God you just gave me some room to sleep. I was literally cramped up here in the corner. I had no room. You were literally like sleeping push over. You have all that room over there on that side of the bed. You like that side of the bed. You move as far over here as you can. So next time, let me have that side of the bed. You over here because you come this way anyway. You were literally pushing up against me towards the wall. I had no room. None. I was literally like this. I mean, if you consider this space, this little like area that I have here, which like I can't even make my arm go straight. It's like, look. Holy shit, what was that? Oh my God. But now I have room to spread out kind of, which is awesome. So I'm gonna try and get some sleep now. I love you, I really do, baby. But holy fuck, we need a bigger bed. Definitely a bigger bed. That's why I like to sleep at my house more, because my bed's bigger, comfier, and like if you're moving up against me, I can just move over a little bit, and I still have room. Right now, if you crush up to me, I got no fucking room. I swear. It's horrible. And you're gonna be spammed with like 50 Snapchats when you wake up. but I swear you won't let me sleep.